Hello everyone. Today I am with my family at a restaurant. Let me tell you about our dinner. Let's go. We arrive at the restaurant. It is a small, cozy place. The waiter greets us and shows us to our table. We sit down and look at the menu. The menu has many options like pasta, pizza, burgers, steaks, and salads. The waiter comes to our table. He asks, "What would you like to eat?" I say, "I'll have steak with fries and a soda." My wife orders spaghetti with meatballs and the kids choose pasta with chicken and juice. While we wait for our food, we talk. The kids are excited. They talk about school and friends. My wife and I talk about our day at work. Finally, the food arrives. The waiter brings our dishes to the table. I have steak with fries, my wife has spaghetti with meatballs, and the kids have pasta with chicken. Everything looks delicious. We say, "Thank you," and start eating. The food is very good. I enjoy my steak and fries. My wife likes her spaghetti with meatballs and the kids finish their pasta quickly. We talk and laugh together while we eat. After the meal, the waiter comes to our table and says, "For dessert, we have 6 options today: chocolate cake, cheesecake, fruit salad, ice cream, apple pie, and brownie with ice cream. What would you like?" I order chocolate cake with ice cream, my wife chooses cheesecake, and the kids have ice cream with chocolate sauce. After we finish eating, we ask the waiter for the check. We say, "Could we have the bill, please?" The waiter brings the check. The meal costs $45 and we leave a tip of $10. We leave the restaurant and walk to the car. The kids are happy because they ate a lot. We talk about how good the food was.
Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to the local market by myself. I need to buy some groceries for the week. I'll show you what I buy, how I pick the best items, and how I interact with the sellers. Let's go. I arrive at the market. It's a busy place with lots of people walking around. Some people are buying vegetables, others are buying fruits. I see a small bakery in the corner, and the smell of fresh bread is amazing. The market is very colorful, with many different stalls selling everything from vegetables to meat, fish, and cheese. I start walking towards the fruit section. There are so many different fruits. I see apples, oranges, bananas, and pears. I decide to buy some apples because I like them for breakfast. The apples are shiny and red. I pick up a few and put them in my basket. I also want some strawberries, so I walk over to the strawberry stall. The strawberries look fresh and delicious. I ask the seller, "How much are the strawberries?" He says, "They're $4 per basket." I think that's a good price, so I add them to my basket. Next, I walk to the vegetable section. I see many green vegetables like spinach, lettuce, and broccoli. I need some tomatoes, so I go to the tomato stand. I ask the seller, "How much are the tomatoes?" He says, "They're $3 for a basket." I decide to buy a basket of tomatoes because I plan to make a salad. I'm getting hungry, so I walk over to the bakery section. The smell of fresh bread is amazing. I pick up a loaf of white bread and some baguettes. I also need some eggs, so I go to the dairy section. I grab a dozen eggs and a carton of milk. The eggs are $2 for a dozen, and the milk is $1.50. Next, I go to the potato stand. I ask the seller, "How much are the potatoes?" He says, "They're $2 per kilogram." I decide to buy 2 kilograms of potatoes because I'm planning to make mashed potatoes for dinner. I also pick up a bag of rice. It's $4 for a 2-kilogram bag. I walk to the checkout. The cashier greets me and starts scanning my items. As she scans my basket, I notice that I forgot to buy some cheese. I quickly walk back to the cheese section and pick up a block of cheddar cheese. I ask the seller, "How much is the cheese?" She says, It's $5 for 500 grams. I take it and go back to the cashier. Now I'm ready to pay. The total is $26.50. I pay with my credit card and leave a $3 tip for the cashier. I thank her and leave the market with my groceries. I leave the market and walk to my car. I'm happy because I bought everything I needed for the week. I'm excited to cook dinner tonight. I'm going to make a big salad with the tomatoes, lettuce, and potatoes. I think I made some good choices today. That was my trip to the local market. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me today. I bought a lot of fresh food for the week. Don't forget to follow my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my family at a diner for breakfast. Let me show you what we eat. Let's go. We arrive at the diner. It's a cozy place with a friendly atmosphere. The waiter greets us and shows us to our table. We look at the menu. There are many breakfast options like pancakes, eggs, bacon, and coffee. The waiter comes and asks, "What would you like to have for breakfast?" I say, "I'll have pancakes with bacon and coffee." My wife orders scrambled eggs with toast, and the kids choose waffles with syrup and juice. While we wait for our food, we talk about our plans for the day. The kids are excited to eat pancakes and my wife talks about work. I enjoy my coffee and relax. The waiter brings our food. I have my pancakes with bacon, my wife has scrambled eggs with toast, and the kids have waffles with syrup. Everything looks delicious. We start eating. The pancakes are sweet and the bacon is crispy. My wife enjoys her scrambled eggs with the toast. The kids love their waffles with syrup. We talk and laugh together while we eat. After we finish eating, the waiter comes back to ask if we want more coffee or juice. I say, "Yes, please." More coffee for me, and my wife asks for a cappuccino. The kids are excited and ask for milkshakes. After finishing our drinks, we ask for the check. We say, "Could we have the bill, please?" The waiter brings the check. The breakfast costs $25 and we leave a tip of $5. We leave the diner and walk to the car. The kids are happy because they ate their favorite breakfast foods. We talk about how good the food was. That was our breakfast at the diner. It was a fun experience with my family. Do you like eating breakfast at diners? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow, and you'll get more fun English practice with every new video. Thanks for watching.